The monsoon is the season when cold-blooded animals become highly active. Here, freshwater fish migrating back to the main lake. A checkered back. Voracious feeders and highly aggressive while hunting. Big groups of checkered quillback awaited whole year for this moment. The semi-aquatic snakes make their presence everywhere, especially near to village area. Monsoon is the season there were plenty of fish. They watch, wait, and catch the fish from the air. But competition is too high. We noticed 10 to 18 snakes hunting intensely at the same time. Sometimes competition becomes more aggressive. One gets lucky. It needs to swallow the fish alive as fast as it can before the other snakes snatch away. Freshwater crab can't wait for more. One snake noticed the easy food. It snatches the fish from crab claws. We are noticing this tremendous behavior from last 5 years. The snake lives near the village area very secretly. In monsoon, they came out from their holes and feed intensely. This whole food chain is perfectly balanced. Monsoon is the key for whole predations and one of the most amazing wildlife experiences.